Welcome to Mindful Eating for Alzheimer's Prevention. As we continue our exploration at Mindful Diabetes Inc., we're thrilled to announce a special 5-week series, Plant-Based Strategies for Health and Wellness. Inspired by lessons from the Cooking Up Health course at the University of Miami, this series will delve into the power of plant-based eating in preventing type 2 and the speculative type 3 diabetes, often linked to Alzheimer's disease. Each week, we'll unpack a different aspect of nutrition's vital role in protecting our cognitive health and overall well-being. Week 1. Savoring the Mediterranean Diet. In our inaugural week, we pay homage to the Mediterranean cuisine, a perennial favorite for its health benefits and delightful flavors. Join us as we explore how this diet, abundant in whole foods, antioxidants, and healthy fats, is not just a meal plan but a lifestyle choice that can significantly reduce the risk of cognitive decline. We'll also guide you through setting up a pantry that supports this brain-boosting diet, ensuring you have the essentials on hand to create delicious, nutritious meals with ease. Embracing mindful eating, your pathway to wellness. This mini-series aims to empower you with knowledge and practical tips that align with Mindful Diabetes Inc.'s mission, making every meal a mindful step toward preventing Alzheimer's. By incorporating plant-based, nutrient-rich foods into our daily lives, we nurture our brains, offering them the protection and nourishment they need to thrive. Stay with us over the next 5 weeks as we journey through various cuisines and lifestyle habits that celebrate the joy of eating and the science of health. Your adventure towards a mindful, healthful future begins now. Let's take this step together towards wellness and longevity, one flavorful bite at a time. Setting up your Mediterranean pantry. Embarking on the path to managing diabetes effectively means considering not just what we eat, but how the food we eat influences our body's inner ecosystem. As we understand the impact of the diabetes microbiome, it becomes clear that the foundation of diabetes management may very well lie within the gut. This leads us to the Mediterranean diet, celebrated for its beneficial effects on gut health and blood sugar control. Why Mediterranean? The Mediterranean diet is inherently rich in foods that foster a healthy microbiome. Its focus on diversity, high fiber, and anti-inflammatory properties aligns perfectly with the latest research on the diabetes microbiome. By adopting this diet, we not only enjoy delicious meals but also nurture the gut bacteria that play a pivotal role in our health. Creating your Mediterranean pantry. The first step in embracing this lifestyle is to create a pantry that embodies the Mediterranean spirit, one that supports gut health and diabetes management. Embrace variety. A diverse pantry contributes to a diverse microbiome. Stock up on a range of vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Choose whole grains. Whole grains provide prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Think whole wheat couscous, quinoa, and farro. Include healthy fats. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, crucial for a healthy gut. Building the blocks of your pantry. As you set out to create your Mediterranean pantry, consider organizing it into these key categories. Produce. Fresh and colorful vegetables and fruits form the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. These are not only rich in vitamins but also fibers that are vital for gut health. Grains and beans. Opt for whole grains like barley, bulgur, and legumes like lentils and chickpeas. These are excellent sources of plant-based proteins and fibers. Dairy and non-dairy. Incorporate fermented dairy products like Greek yogurt and cheeses, which contain live cultures beneficial to the gut. Pantry. Stock your shelves with nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices that not only add flavor but also contribute to the growth of good bacteria. Your Mediterranean grocery list. Here's a grocery list tailored to support both your Mediterranean pantry and your microbiome. Fruits and vegetables. Tomatoes, cucumbers, leafy greens, onions, garlic, bell peppers, berries, citrus fruits, apples, and grapes. Whole grains. Quinoa, farro, bulgur, whole wheat pasta, brown rice, and barley. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and cannellini beans. Healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil, avocados, and nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Dairy. Greek yogurt, feta cheese, and kefir. Herbs and spices. Oregano, basil, rosemary, thyme, and cinnamon. Pantry staples. Canned tomatoes, olives, capers, whole grain bread, and hummus. Your 2-day meal plan for a healthy diet. Day 1. A fresh start to mindful eating. Breakfast. Begin your day with a nutritious spread of almond butter and banana on a whole wheat English muffin. For a lighter calorie count, ensure your almond butter portion does not exceed 2 tablespoons. Morning snack. Keep it simple and healthy with a handful of pistachios, but remember that a serving size is half a cup shelled. Lunch. Satisfy midday hunger with a whole wheat pita stuffed with lentil salad, spinach, and hummus. A fiber-rich meal that supports both gut health and blood sugar control. Afternoon snack. Apple slices offer a crisp and refreshing energy boost. For a more substantial snack, consider adding a slice of cheese or a few carrot sticks. Dinner. Conclude your day with Mediterranean vegetable couscous with chickpeas, a dish that's not only heartwarming but also loaded with nutrients that support the diabetes microbiome. Evening snack. Frozen grapes are a sweet treat that also provides antioxidants. Remember to thoroughly dry fresh grapes before freezing for the best experience. Day 2. Continuing the journey of wholesome eating. Breakfast. A serving of plain low-fat Greek yogurt with apple slices and a drizzle of honey offers a perfect blend of protein and natural sweetness. Add whole grain cereal or nuts for an extra fiber boost. Morning snack. For those who prefer a light early snack, whole wheat pita and hummus make for a great choice, combining complex carbs with protein. Lunch. Enjoy a large spinach salad topped with leftover couscous, raisins, and lentil salad. Add a variety of vegetables from your pantry, such as carrots and cherry tomatoes, and dress with olive oil and balsamic vinegar for an extra flavor kick. Afternoon snack. Trail mix is an excellent go-to snack for a quick energy lift. Dinner. Relish in a hearty meal of baked sweet potato topped with leftover vegetable couscous, providing a rich source of beta-carotene and fiber. Evening snack. Once again, frozen grapes can serve as a refreshing end to your day. Embracing the Mediterranean journey. A conclusion to our Week 1 exploration. As we draw the curtains on the first week of our series, we've taken a meaningful stride into the realm of the Mediterranean diet, a path rich in flavors, nutrition, and health benefits. We've uncovered the potent role that this heart-healthy diet plays in managing diabetes and warding off its potential progression. Infusing life with the essence of Pathways to Wellness. Our guide, Pathways to Wellness, has just begun to unfold the tapestry of a lifestyle that can profoundly influence diabetes care. By embracing the Mediterranean way, with its emphasis on whole grains, lean proteins, and beneficial fats, we empower ourselves to make dietary choices that echo through our health and wellness. A harmonious blend of taste and health for the future. Looking forward, we continue to champion the Mediterranean diet as a beacon of hope and a testament to the adage that food is medicine. The rich tapestry of this diet weaves together a pattern of eating that can not only delight our palates but also serve as a cornerstone of diabetes management. Mindful Diabetes Inc. is dedicated to bringing this message home, with practical, flavorful, and health-conscious strategies that will feature in the coming weeks of our series. Stay tuned for more insight, as each week we'll build upon the foundation we've laid, enhancing your culinary repertoire and enriching your journey towards a more balanced and joyful life.